fleet that's well cared for is a fleet that drives success. That's the promise of Tata Motors commercial vehicles. Fleetcare, a complete solution designed to keep your vehicles performing at their peak while reducing operational costs and maximizing uptime. Fleetcare comes with a comprehensive range of services to meet every business need. Annual maintenance contracts, offering scheduled services and proactive maintenance to reduce breakdowns and increase cost efficiency. Fleet management solutions, powered by Tata Motors Fleet Edge, providing real-time tracking, enhanced operational insights, and bumper-to-bumper coverage. On-site service support, where expert technicians deliver 24/7 assistance directly at your location for seamless operations. Uptime assurance, minimizing downtime to keep your vehicles moving without interruptions. Extended warranty programs, delivering long-term protection and peace of mind for your fleet investments. But Fleetcare doesn't stop there. Fleetcare offers a suite of attractive benefits too. Fleetcare also introduces Mileage Sarthi, delivering lower total cost of ownership, best-in-class fuel efficiency, detailed fleet insights for smarter decision-making. So enjoy higher uptime, lower mean time for repairs and more profits. Your business deserves excellent service. And we at Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles promise to deliver. Tata Motors Commercial Vehicles Fleetcare, empowering your business to go further, keeping you ahead always.